mount the stepper drive on the cart using the thumb screws. You can use both sides of the slider's cart, but if you plan to use the cable guide, make sure the drive's pulley is on the same side as the brake knobs. Pay attention to place the teeth downwards when attaching the belt to one of the side brackets. Slide the belt from the bottom to the clamp and tighten the thumb screws. Slide the belt through the drive pulleys. Use the drawing on the drive as a reference. Keep the belt straight, never allow it to twist. Attach the belt to the other side bracket. Keep the belt tensioned. Don't use tools to tension the belt, as excessive force may damage the drive. You may roll up the extra belt if you're using a longer belt for a short slider. Insert the screws. Do not tighten them. Leave at least 12 mm of the thread above the cart. Insert the head, aligning the holes with the screws. Rotate the head to lock it in place. Tighten the screws using 10 mm wrench. Use the longer 6-pin LEMO cable to connect the power supply unit to the slider's drive. Use the shorter one to connect the head. To avoid damaging the cable during rotation, run it through the opening in the gearbox. Connect the Kairos panel to the power supply unit using 4-pin mini LEMO cable. Your motion control set is ready to operate.